Rasgullah, what are you doing, my darling? Is there a spider somewhere? Where's spider gone, or are you just spying on the kids? Are you spying? Daisy, Elsa, Rasgullah spying. He's being a nosy Parker. Rasgullah, what are you looking at, my darling? Your eyes need cleaning. Look at the state of your eyes. Come on, let's clean your eyes. Come on, my baby. Oh, come on. You need to clean your eyes. Let's go clean your eyes. Let's clean Rasgullah's eyes. Let's clean my baby's eyes. Here you go. Let's clean your eyes. Let's clean my Prince Charming's eyes. Your nails are getting stuck, my darling. Good boy. Oh, look at that. Let's clean this side of the eye. Such a good boy you are. Right, come on, let's do your brushing. Come on, you've got a few knots here, Rasgullah. We need to cut your knots off. Come on, good boy. Good boy. Come on, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. I've got a few knots here which I need to cut off. See your ears. Let's have a look at your ears if they're dirty. Let's have a look at the other ear. If it's dirty. Come on, let's brush your beard now. Rasgullah. It's so good, my baby. Charming princess, so good. Let's do this side now. Good, baby. Elsa, what are you doing? Stop messing around in the kitchen. Sorry, my baby, nearly done. Who's gonna have treat? 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 Do you want to chase treat? No? You don't want treat? Rasgullah, treat. Darling. Okay. Sit. Here, Rasgullah, treat. Rasgullah, treat. Rasgullah, treat. Fine, you don't want treat. Don't have it then.